Since 1994, safe, fast and more, a reliable name, Mixcatcom.
Hey guys, Pete with Mixcat. As you guys know, I've been on the hunt for power saving devices. I got a power saver. This one's a little more hard and durable than the last one I tested out. Metal box, it's actually fused, got a little light on there. It looks a little more impressive than the other one. Not too big, you can see it kind of next to my hand. It's not a huge box, but definitely has some weight. It's solid. Looks like a little more substantial than the others. We're going to go ahead and we're going to test this out and see if it saves us any power. I'll show you the before and the afters, and you guys can make the choice for yourself. Alright, thanks guys. Welcome to my attic. Hopefully you guys can kind of see the outlet here. I have one of the new kilowatt meters, and I'm going to show you what the attic fan actually draws with the kilowatt meter as far as the actual inductive load. That into the, there we go. Alright, into amps. Sort this thing out. There we are, amps. Okay, it's actually rated for just about an amp. On the motor itself it says 0.8, so we're pretty close. It's showing that it's actually 0.89. What I'm going to plug in is the power saver that I was sent from China and show you what kind of savings I get. Right, I'm plugging that into the strip and it's in. You can see it drops down to 0.6 up, now down to 5.9, 5.8. I'm going to take it back out. And it jumps back up to 0.8 and change. I'm going to zoom out so you guys can see me actually plugging this in, that there's no trickery or anything. Okay, you see that it's 0.87. Here's the unit, plug him in, and he drops down. That's a pretty good savings. I was really skeptical. I didn't think we'd get this kind of savings on it, especially after testing that other power save unit, but this one's looking pretty good. We're 0.58, 0.59. You zoom it in. There we are. And again, I'll pull that out. She jumps right back up. So yeah, so far so good with this. It's a fused unit, so I'm a little more comfortable that this one has a fuse built into it. It's in a metal box. I did leave it in for a little bit, didn't seem to get warm. Here, I'll plug it in again. But hey, every little bit to save some electric. Yeah, the attic up here is a lot more pleasant than it used to be. It's probably about 90 degrees up here right now, and it always used to be above 100. That fan really makes all the difference. But if I can put a little bit less load on the solar panel, I'm going to go for it. Hey guys, welcome to my mess here. If a garage isn't messy, it's a sign that you don't work in it. And lots of work goes on over here. What I have going on right now is the kilowatt meter is plugged into the wall. As you can see, it's rating zeros right now. There's no load. I have a half horsepower grinder here that I'm going to turn on. And it's going to give it a good inductive load. That's plugged into this power strip here. Turn them on, and right away it jumps up to 4 amps. Excuse the noise. It's not bolted down. Settling down to 1.8, 1.89 we're looking at amps. So a good deal of power that it's pulling. And again, that's a half horsepower, 110. This is saying it's a 3,500 RPM grinder. I'm going to take the power saver, plug it into it. You can see it's 1.8. Here we go, no trickery, plugging it right in. She drops down. We're 1.52. I really didn't think this little guy was going to work, but sure, doing a good job on anything that's inductive go back to amps. She's pulling 1.8, so just under 2. We'll plug it back in. It's amazing. 1.52. I did the same on a refrigerator and seen a drop on that too. I get a bunch of these. I think this probably could help me out on my electric savings. So far the attic fan shaved a little bit over $40 per month off my electric bill. And it's a lot more bearable in my garage. So far so good on trying to cut down the electric cost. Alright, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Sorry for the racket.
Since 1994, safe, fast and more. Our reliable name, Mixcatcom.